Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today is the day that we're going to Leeds. Everything that I'm taking with me is All Things Hair. I don't know if you guys know All Things Hair, I've worked with them before. They are sponsoring this video. I'm gonna wash my hair today and then that's it. I'm not gonna wash my hair until I get back home again in like 4 or 5 days. So these are all the things I'm taking with me. I've got things like the Split End Rescue Balm, the Frizz Free Cream. I've used this a whole bunch of times in videos. They're the TRESemmé line, the Botanique, and it's the air dry curl cream, the natural hold gel, free from silicones, free from dyes. Look at this, it's a hair perfume, looks so good. Okay, let's use the hydrating mist and then we'll lock it in with everything else. Yeah, hydrate me. H2O is my fave. Curl cream, it says 2 to 3 pumps, but I have like 2 to 3 times the amount of hair that most people have, so we'll do more than that. So now I'm going to use the air dry natural hold gel. It has cactus water and coconut. Like, I don't think I've used a product before that uses cactus water, but it's supposed to be really hydrating. It's very, very smooth. I'm so used to using like sticky gels, but this one is very smooth. Wow, why is my hair like so detangled? Look at this. Let's scrunch and we will be done. It's looking good, you guys. It's looking good. Hi guys, so we're on the way to Leeds. Morning campers! Oh, she's about to open the tent and there might be a wasp out there. We're like ninjas when the wasp comes in. So today I'm thinking that I'm gonna do 2 Dutch braids, like going down, because I want to kind of wear the ringlets tomorrow. So not ringlets, like the waves tomorrow. It's just like the easiest festival style, like especially if you have curly hair and you can't wash your hair every day, just do braids and then you can wear the braid out and your hair is wavy, or you can just keep the braids in the whole time. Like that's like the easiest thing. So when I go on holiday, a lot of the time I will just wear braids the whole time because you don't really have to do that much to it and you don't need to bring that much products with you. I'm going to use the hold gel and the Frizz Free Cream so that my braids can look really smooth, and probably some of this because it's really hot right now and I'm going to be out in the sun the whole time. So this is the hydrating mist, the hair perfume. It smells good, it smells sweet. I feel like I want to go kind of like Vanessa Hudgens, the Hudgens Coachella Queen. That's what I'm going for. We're going to be like wispy. And I literally didn't bring any hair ties with me apart from like these like mini elastics. Like, what is wrong with me? As I spray my hair, it's just drying instantly because of how hot it is in here. The whole gel. When you're doing a Dutch braid, the trick is to do the braid as if you were going under the middle piece each time, and every time that you take a piece of hair under, you're going to bring a piece of hair in from the side. There is a step-by-step tutorial for this on the All Things Hair website, so if you guys need to see that, then check the link in the description box. Coachella Queen vibes are loading. I always tell you guys not to use these little hair elastics, but lately I've just been finding them so just good for braids and like that Normani hairstyle and stuff like that. I guess I can make an exception, you know. Wrap my hair. Okay, so that's my like bohemian Dutch braids. I just want to finish it off, so I've got like a couple things here. Like, I'm not sure which one to use. I'm gonna test both of them out because I haven't used them before. So I've got like the VO5 Frizz Free Serum wand, but I also have the TONI&GUY Flyaway Taming wand. So I'm gonna put that like here. Yeah, looks like that. So I've got the fixing spray for glitter, and I'm gonna spray this like all over my hair, and then I'm gonna run glitter through my hair. On your hair like this.
Work already.
I didn't even realize it was like this. Look, I've been Leedsified. So I've gone a bit more like rocky with my eye makeup and stuff today, but it feels good. My hair survived really well yesterday. I could wear this again today, but I don't want to. I want to do space buns today, so I'm gonna take it out. Yay! Looks good. And we'll do a zigzaggy parting.
So I created a zigzag parting for my hair, and then I'm gonna go and run some of this TRESemmé holding gel over my hair just to make sure that my buns can look smooth, and I'm just gonna tie that tightly on top of my head, and then I'm gonna twist my hair into buns, and then I'm just gonna secure that with some bobby pins and a few more tiny elastics.
This is the VO5 Frizz Free Serum one. I like it. I think it actually does a good job. This is gonna look cute.
And remember that there are tutorials for all of the looks in this video on the All Things Hair website, so just check my description box if you want to see those.
There's the mess. This is the hair perfume. I'm gonna use the hair perfume like all over. Like I know I probably shouldn't, but I'm gonna. This is the hair glitter, but I'm gonna use it on my face. Makes you look like Edward Cullen. This glitter's actually, this is good because this is biodegradable, and this festival's like, they've put a big emphasis on like sustainability at this festival. I've lost my zigzag. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. Lee, how excited are you? Literally just started doing my makeup and look what happened. I'm literally melting. I wanted to show you that I'm doing a halo braid, but I have 9% battery because when you're out here in the wilderness you can't charge your phone, so I'm on 9%. I'll try and show you how I do the halo braid, but it's probably gonna die.
Okay, so the way that you do a halo braid is simple in theory but very difficult to execute. So you're basically doing a Dutch braid that goes all the way around the back of your head. You're just going to bring pieces of hair in from all the way around your head. You're going to take them under and you're going to keep it going until it comes all the way around the front of your head, and then just finish off the braid and pin it down in the same place where the braid started.
Glitter. My halo cushion.
And remember that there is a step-by-step tutorial for this on the All Things Hair website, so check it out in the description box down below.
And I'm done! Take away. She knows it's too late. Horses are coming, so you better run.
I had an amazing time here at Leeds Festival, even though I was tested to the limits with things being thrown at me and dust making its way into my lungs and my hair, sweating off my makeup before I'd even finished it. But I am thankful to All Things Hair for sponsoring this video and for giving me the festival hairstyle inspiration. I'm really happy with how my hair looked all weekend, and I had a ton of compliments, especially from everyone that was camping around me who said that I literally just sprung out of the tent every morning looking like a little angel because of my hair. If you guys need some festival inspiration, then check out the links in my description box. Bye!